Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Today we are going to be talking about coastal properties. Hi everyone, I am Aurora Lowe, your realtor by the bay who keeps your stress away. Today, I am excited to chat with you and share a little bit about coastal properties. Now, when people think of Santa Cruz County and real estate, sometimes, most of the time, your first thought is a beach house. Well, here's the truth. Owning a beach house is not all that it's cracked up to be here in Santa Cruz County. While you can have absolutely gorgeous views and, jaw-dropping sunsets from your kitchen, there are some downsides to coastal properties. And so what we're going to kind of talk about today are the upkeep and maintenance, the coastal commission a little bit, and also the Airbnb restrictions. So here's the deal. Maintaining a coastal home or a beach house is a lot of work. It's also very expensive. Usually these properties need extra upkeep because of how much weather they get, right? So they're near salt air. They are constantly being hit with the humidity of, and the dampness of the ocean. And a lot of times our weather obviously is, it's windier and it's, getting that fog every day and everything like that. So there can be a lot of upkeep with windows, siding, and paint, as well as termites. We get a lot of termites here in Santa Cruz, but your coastal properties are going to probably, the closer you are to the ocean, the more likely you are probably going to get those termites. So this can be something that can deter a lot of folks, but also, or just, a lot of people maybe forget to work on these kinds of things, but you really want to make sure that you are maintaining your coastal home and, keeping up with all of that upkeep for any kind of, dry rot, termites, siding issues, leaks, and anything like that. So we see gorgeous, uses of like eBay wood, special wood that is, really used to this kind of like tropical climate and things like that. And so, again, those take, staining once a year and things like that. So there's just a little bit more upkeep, but again, you have this beautiful coastal property. So the second thing was the issue with the coastal commission. So when you buy a coastal property, there are many things that might come up during that, with bluffs and different things like that, and where it's located in terms of the coastal commission and if they kind of reign over that area. So the thing with that, and I would say the main situation with that is when you work with your realtor to buy a beach property, it is always a good thing, and your realtor should know this, to hire one of our great land use consultants or kind of coastal commission attorneys that can kind of help you go through, all of the kind of thing that you might come up with in terms of the coastal commission. So these are things like if you're going to apply for a permit or do some kind of remodeling, the coastal commission does not want many things done to especially the exterior that could be detrimental to the coastal bluff or things like that. But there are a lot more rules and regulations. So something to think about and check out. And lastly, that is the situation of Airbnb restrictions. So here in Santa Cruz County, we kind of usually will see the freeway that we have, the one freeway that we have as kind of the separation in terms of more restricted rules with Airbnbs or short-term rentals. And that usually, not all the time, usually a street can have about 20% of it, of not the whole street, but of certain parts of the street used as Airbnb. So a lot of people come here thinking, I'm going to buy a coastal property. I'm going to rent it out on Airbnb, make tons of money. Well, think again, because there are many, many restrictions.